Hi, I want to show you some things how the garden is coming up. So far it's doing pretty good. I have noticed some brown leaves on the different plants that I have out here. I'm not sure what is causing that, but I'm just gonna let you see how things is coming so far. Thank you for watching. Here are some of the things, my kale, some of my cabbage plant. I got a little watermelon plant. It's still trying to come. And I believe the reason why I grew this far is because the weather has been real warm. So I'm not for sure. Like I said, I really don't know for sure if that watermelon gonna make it or not. It may and it may not. And guess what? It's not because it had rotten out on me. Some of the spinach I pull off. Some of the leaves, like I said, just turned a different color. And I don't know if it's because it was so dry. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. No updates on my garden. Thank you.